sports mantri this afternoon. And Shuman, this is big. You know, when the sports mantri tells the BCCI nothing doing, when, you know, we are not even talking to Pakistan, there are no bilateral talks happening, how can you even think of a cricketing tie?
Well, first, Republic was the only channel to also get the BCCI reaction just moment before BCCI Acting Secretary Amitav Chaudhary boarded the flight to Dubai, and he told me that they are in principle, they believe that there should be playing Pakistan and there is no harm in playing any nation, number one. Number two, he also said that he will be talking to the PCB chief over there and also make the position clear that BCCI and India are willing to play Pakistan any bilateral series. He also stressed on the fact that there is no harm, and in fact India it doesn't believe in not playing in against any country. So he, number one, doesn't have any problem playing bilateral series against Pakistan. This is not about the multi-nation tournament. This is about bilateral series with Pakistan, and BCCI doesn't have any problem. On that, I asked the sports minister Vijay Goyal to have his reaction, and he was very categoric. Number one, terrorism and sports cannot go hand in hand. Number two, that there should not be any talk before consulting the government. So ideally BCCI shouldn't have gone to meet PCB without the clearance of the government. Though the official stand of the BCCI is that the series can be held only when there is a go-ahead from the government. But why at the first place this talk is happening, that is something that the BCCI must clear. Because as of now, the government is clear that there cannot be, number one, any bilateral series with Pakistan, and BCCI has erred. In fact, they did not do the right thing in going to meet PCB chief without consulting or getting a nod from the government. That's the position of the sports minister.